Hello everyone and welcome. As you can see, what I have here is a 4-in-1 master padlock number 3. Yeah, these are 4 number 3s. These are from 1999 and assembled in Mexico. And I thought I would do a 4-in-1 opal on camera today with these. Well, I should be able to get them all open. They're all keyed the same, so there's my scissors. Let's give it a go. Oh, shit. Camera disaster. I'll pull them out one at a time. Come on. There's one. There's 2 keys. 3 keys, and I know there's another one in there somewhere. Oh, they got the sticker on them. I've not seen a master lock with this sticker on it. That's something new. And although these were in the package, the bottoms are like they've been outside, so wherever they were stored, this was exposed. The plastic was a little cracked, so not perfect. Well, let's see if I can get one of these open. Wow, tight springs. Holy crap, I was not expecting that. Wow. No speedy opens today. Got one. Okay, that's one.